Hello everyone, welcome to the channel How to Heroes. In this video, I will show you how to fix apps not opening and freezing on a Mac. Let's get started. This method will work on all models of Mac, including MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and more. If you're having issues launching a specific application, or if the app is crashing continuously or not opening, the first step is to force quit the application on your Mac. You can use the shortcut Command plus Q while having the app selected, or click on the Apple icon in the top left corner and select Force Quit. A small Force Quit window will show you a list of currently running applications. Select the app you want to quit or the crashed app, and then click on Force Quit. This will quit all processes related to that application, and in most cases, macOS will fix the app problem after force quitting. Relaunch the app, and hopefully it will work fine. Another method is to check and make sure that you are running the latest version of macOS. To check for updates, click on the Apple logo and open System Preferences. Then open Software Update and check for the latest updates. If any updates are found, please install them and restart your system. Updating and restarting your system can help fix crashing and launch issues with applications. After restarting, reopen the application. If the problem persists, make sure that the app you're trying to open is not corrupted and is up to date. If the app is directly downloaded from the App Store, you can simply open the App Store by clicking the Apple logo and selecting App Store. Here on the left side, click on Updates. This will show all available updates for installed applications on your Mac. If any updates are available, download and install them. If it's not an App Store application, you will need to update it manually through the application's update process when it starts up. Another reason an application may crash is due to a lack of enough storage to run that application. Some apps need background processes and require additional storage space to run properly. If you want to check your current storage usage, click on the Apple icon, select About This Mac, and then click Storage. Next, click on Manage. In this section, you can see how much storage is taken up by your installed applications, documents, files, movies, music, and photos. To free up storage, you can empty the recycle bin, delete unwanted files from your documents and downloads folders, and uninstall or remove unused applications. Select any unused application and click the Delete button to remove it. These are some simple steps to address app crashing and not opening issues. I hope one of these solutions helps resolve your problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.